Evernet Mortise 2. Step 1. Remove the existing door lock from the door. Step 2. Remove the existing strike plate from the door. Position the new strike plate correctly on the door frame after making sure that the top faces up, and attach it with two FH10 24x10 UNC screws. Step 3. The latch is designed for both right and left-handed doors. Position the Mortise after making sure the latch is at the bottom. Then fasten the Mortise with two FH10 24x10 UNC screws. Make sure that the tailpiece slides off the Mortise inside the door. Step 4. Insert the handle shaft by setting its in direction in a square shape and out direction in a diamond shape. Insert the handle shaft clip into the shaft hole and push it in completely. Step 5. Place the door handle according to the direction of the left or right-handed door. Fit the keypad into the Mortise. And connect the two tail pieces into the PCB connector. Tuck the wires into the door lock, position the door handle correctly, and make sure the direction of the thumb turn is on closed. And then fasten the lock body to the door using the two BH M4x8 screws. Make sure no cables are pinched within the lock body. Insert 4 AA size batteries correctly into the battery pack. Password input. Press the input button on the lock and enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the keypad and dial star. Password opening. Press the start button on the keypad and enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 followed by star to open the door. Touch key setting. Press the input button on the lock and place the touch key on the touch key terminal one by one. And then dial star. Touch key opening. Place the registered touch key on the touch key terminal.